How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through a trade I took on SPY today. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to point out that I called this trade out live inside Team Bull, my exact entry and exit, okay? And I gave them another level to watch. I said this will be a sniper entry for puts as well. If you missed the first trade, me personally, I'm not taking this because on short weeks, I like to trade less because short weeks are typically my worst. According to my trading plan, I try to avoid over trading or giving back profits. So let's get right into the game plan that we come up with pre-market on my Instagram live. I go live every morning on Instagram, free watch list, free education. Come join us. Start at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Anyways, I wanted to see a double top form on the hourly time frame. This was my game plan. This was the exact ideal I gave everyone. I said I want to see a double top form, as you can see here. And I said I want to see this first hourly candle confirm. Now, the first trade I took was inside of this. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes so we can see a little more here. The first trade I took was based off this candle here. We had a reversal candle form on the 5 minute. What I really liked about this trade was it was below nice resistance on the SPX. That 4400 area was right below it. Then we had this 5 minute candle confirm on SPY. This candle here, I said I'm in. Puts here, we got in, caught the move down. Okay, I was all out of this trade at the bottom of this candle here. Now that's a nice scalp to start the morning, right? 13 minutes in, I was up $2,200, as you can see right here. Now, let's talk about the next trade that I pointed out. Now we come down, we eventually broke, right? We come down, we eventually broke low of day, which the previous low of day was here. We come down, broke it. I said I like this whole area here for puts, but a sniper entry would be around that 437.4 area for puts. When I say sniper entry, if you want to wait on that exact level, it tends to work out better for smaller accounts to wait on the sniper entries. Those with larger accounts can, add a couple of times there and have a good average at that entry. That's why, I like to point that out. But anyways, we came up and touched that 437.4 area, then beautiful move down. A lot of people inside Team Bull listened to me. They waited on that level, took puts there, and caught this huge move down. Last time I checked in, contracts were up 100+% off a day trade. And I just want to go into how insane that is. I know you see 1,000% gains on social media, whatever, but just imagine laying down $100 bill and a few minutes later, 5, 10, 15 minutes later, picking it up and it being $200, right? 100% gain in minutes. You cannot get that sort of return anywhere else. And honestly, both of these trades was, very good setups. This wasn't a going in gambling like, I'm going to try this here just because. These were confirmed. These were key levels. Both of these were strategies I use every day. We even waited on a nice reversal candle on the first trade and rejection off of resistance, right? Then we broke lower day. We waited on that nice retest to come back up right at VWAP, right at 9, the 9 EMA for our next entry on puts, right? Even though I didn't take this second trade, still would have, still printed. And that's what you have to do. You have to be patient. You have to wait on confirmation. You have to know how to identify key levels. Very important. And if you trade futures, you could have took ES short off both these trades. Okay, you can trade futures based off my SPY levels. But that's all I have for this video. I hope this recap really helped you out. If they do, be sure you hit that thumbs up button. That really helps me out. And share these videos. Let's spread the word. Plenty of room at the top for us all. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.